I would add upon what Upkarji said that with the usage of this modern technology like AI, NLP, and all those things, how it has helped. For example, let me cite an example of what we did in this pandemic. Is one example where one of the users who used to copy, extract the inventor's name from WIPO website and then feed in a particular form, copying various elements, the abstract, the gist, and all those points from that WIPO website, and then fill in the form, which we did it through robotic process automation, in which exactly the nationality of that inventor, the place, and all those things, the abstract, were put into the exact column, because these things matter quite a lot when a patent application is filed. And it used to take around 45 or 50 minutes for that user to fill in all those things. But with the use of a bot which we created, it could pull out, just insert the application number, the patent application number, and it could call out all the relevant information, fit it in the exact format, and then push it into the application, and the mail would automatically get generated and be sent to the patent office, which earlier used to take 45 minutes. And if a user had to do for 10, 15, for example, 10, 450 minutes used to be spent, whereas with this, it decreased to just 1 minute only. And the accuracy level, as suggested by Ukkarji also, went up to 100%. Hardly did we have any kind of mistake. So I would say that with these modern technologies, it increases the business efficiency, the business outcome, the profitability, and I would say that the engagement with the clients become faster, and because the patience has decreased considerably, any client wants an immediate response, and when things are done in a faster way, the client satisfaction level goes up, and hence this is the outcome. This is one of the examples of utilizing the modern tools which are available now. That's a wrong thing. Building a data center at present is a wrong thing, because at times you have got sleepless nights. So, but since the management wants to have their own data center, that's a wrong thing. As a technologist, I would never ever like to have my own data center rather than not going into the cloud. Cloud is the best solution. For example, I would say that since they agreed to get into the O365, and with the Power Automate, which has been given as a part of the subscription, in which almost any user, like Vishwajit ji told, that with no code, low code, you can really do a lot of things. For example, there are people who are completely critical for my correspondence, in which I need to reply back. I just drag and drop and make a flow in the Power Automate itself. It doesn't require any coding or anything. So these are some of the ways in which any user having a little bit of knowledge, and if uh, a proper training session is imparted by the IT department, then it helps quite a lot, not only to lessen the work of the IT guys, but also increase the use of technology to elevate their pain and perform in a better way, with less of thinking or less of junk being put inside their head. Sleep peacefully, let the system or the application do their job, rather than they going back with some kind of stress or something of not having completed a deadline or something. Because in service sector, usually how much whatever people are doing, it seems that it's too less. So with the usage of technology, and with the uh, and the giants who have created so great applications which can be used by common users. It's just that the training should be imparted in the right way, which will help everybody. So I would feel that the new technologies are quite good if it is adopted, and if it is not adopted, then I would say that it's a wrong technology. And there have been instances where the change is too difficult. The adaptability becomes a challenge because of mindset rather than anything else. As the mindset which has changed considerably in the pandemic, whereas the change management and the process change management used to take months, takes only days, or it is just given that you go ahead. The IT senior leadership have been given the mandate to go ahead and change if it is required. So this change has happened, due to which I think almost all the industry across have changed drastically, and have adopted new technologies to help them improve their efficiency and to service the customers faster. This is my take. I would completely concur with all my panelists as they have said, and as Ukkarji initially talked about data, device, and analytics, I would say that it is data, device, and decision also. It's a decision which we make, and the decisions are made instantaneously, whether I should do this or I should do that. And if we see that we are so much attached to our device, especially the mobile devices, that starting from when we get up with the alarm ringing from the mobile till the time we sleep off before checking the last mail or whatever one is interested into any kind of application, it is the device which throws the insights from the data which have been collected. This so is the case for us also. I would say that it is in one way automated, delegated, standardized, and uh, been done in such a way that the way we consume it is for the consumers or for any decision maker to consume it the way. Even the dashboards are made specifically for the requirement of the decision makers, even if the board is there. But if you, from a technology standpoint, we do create dashboards in a different way because they can consume it the way they want to take it. This is what I would tell.
Good.
And
Yeah.
one example which everybody might have read in today's paper regarding the IoT, a person who was in US and his house was being robbed in Hyderabad or somewhere like that, and because of the sensors which were there in the camera and all those things, he could know, and then he called up the police station and
Yeah,
they caught hold of him. So this is a real case which was reported today also. So how the sensor acted, gave him the data, and instantaneously he took a decision. So this kind of decisions are taken which help people, especially the top level people where decisions are taken to do it instantaneously, due to which the speed of business has gone up quite considerably.